So, is your iPhone gets too hot while charging with your MagSafe charger? If so, don't worry. Well, as MagSafe is a wireless charger, it is normal for it to get a little hot. But if it's getting very hot, that can be harmful for your iPhone. Now, therefore, in this video we will tell you how easily you can fix this issue. First of all, please bear in mind that charge your iPhone without the case or cover. Some people have said when they charge their iPhone without the cover, it gets less hot than usual. And second of all, be sure to use original adapter. You heard it right, it should be the original adapter, because if you're using the third-party charging adapter, it can cause that serious issue when it comes to charge your iPhone with the MagSafe. And third of all, don't use MagSafe charger in the warm room. Let's say if your room has the bad ventilation, that can cause the serious issues for getting hot on your iPhone when it comes to charging with your MagSafe charger. So make sure that your room is cool enough to charge your iPhone with the MagSafe charger. Okay guys, these are the ways that you can do in water to get less or let's say no hot issues with your MagSafe charger when it comes to charge your iPhone. Hope this video is useful in terms of telling you some of the tips and tricks that you can do to fix your problem. If you think so, be sure to hit the like button and feel free to subscribe to the channel to get more video content for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you next time.